you with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club featuring the August 2023 HipKits. I used the distressed Oxide ink pads and one of the stencils which I included in the August color kit to create a mixed media background for my layout. I used the ink pads to color the modeling paste. First I apply the yellow squeezed lemonade ink on a sheet of foil, add modeling paste and mix it. Then I apply the saltwater taffy ink and mix again until I get a soft orange tone. This technique is very easy. If the color isn't bright enough, you can add more ink, and if the color is too bright, you can add more modeling paste. Now I apply the colored paste on white cardstock using the citrus stencil. Then I let the paste dry. Once the paste is dry, I cut off the border and my citrus background is finished. I frame my photo with a frame from the Sunshine and Lemonade chipboard shapes pack, which is included in the August main kit. Then I fussy cut some fruits from the HipKit Club exclusive Sunshine and Lemonade citrus twist paper. Cut some leaves from the Essential Solids Lime Zest cardstock, which is included in the August cardstock kit, using the August 2023 Layered Bright Flower and Leaves metal die set. And I cut some more leaves from the Essential Solids Jungle Green cardstock, which is included in the July cardstock kit, using the October 2022 Lovely Leaves metal die set. I placed my photo on the mixed media background and arranged the leaves around the photo. also add some fussy cut fruits and some chipboard die cuts. Now I cut 2 triangles from the Hippie Club exclusive Sunshine and Lemonade Weekend Away paper and place them on my page. On this base I glue my mixed media background with photo and embellishments. I continue embellishing the layout with more chipboard die cuts, some fussy cut fruits, some cardstock ephemera, one of the debossed Folks wax seal stickers which are included in the August embellishment kit, and some puffy stickers also included in the August embellishment kit. Pierce holes and stitch the butterfly trails. I add some of the multicolor adhesive pearls, which you can find in the August main kit. This is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.